Welcome back, everyone. Leaky's Bike It here. Today I'm doing the 7-question challenge, nominated to me by Filthy Frenchfry. Now, first question.
What motivated me to buy my first bike?
Growing up as a kid, I was doing mostly dirt bike and riding my friend's Magna 500 during the summer. What motivated me this time, I guess, remembering how much I liked it, and a lot with the motovlogger community who encouraged me to get one, and it was one of the best decisions I ever done. Question 2.
So, kind of riding do I prefer? Twisties, straights, solo, or groups?
Well, I've drive a lot solo every day, back and forth to work by myself. I've been in a few group rides, but they were a lot of people. I think I'd prefer to be in no more than a group of 4. Well, I'd like to try that. I've done 2, me and one other, and that was good. So I'd like, so we'll say 3, 4. Well, on this bike I don't want to do twisties, but I did enjoy twisties on the CBR. Not really one for high speed. I think I'm in second gear. I started off in second gear. Next question.
Favorite ride destination?
I've never went anywhere yet. I'd like to go somewhere camping. Load up the stuff, saddlebags, wife and I, and go camp somewhere. That's what I'd like to do. Which brings us to the next question.
My favorite trip, day, weekend, or longer? Whew.
Well, I've never done a weekend long one yet. So I think that's what I'd want to do. I can't really say I did a day trip either. Driving around town all day is not considered a day trip. So weekend longer, let's go with that one.
What is my next big destination ride?
I'd actually like to travel along the coastline. Somewhere ocean on one side, probably the PCH. From top to finish. Top to bottom, whatever else. North, south, east, west.
Any words of wisdom?
What kind of advice would I give to a new rider? I'm not doing these in order because I can't remember. A new rider, I would say definitely take the training course. If you have 0 experience at all on bike, take the training course. Learn how to use on their equipment. Don't just go and buy a bike because you're going to want to baby that. You don't want to drop it. There's so much fear. And unless you buy a piece of junk. But I'd say, yeah, definitely take the course because you'll learn things you wouldn't even think of.
What is the biggest lesson motorcycling has taught me?
I enjoy every moment is one thing. Weather changes so much, especially up here in Canada. Winters are so long. Appreciate every moment. One of the big things I had to deal with as a new rider, I did have a bit of target fixation. I'm over that now. And hopefully I hit all 7 because I'm hitting the highway and you won't hear me now. Still fiddling with my microphone. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.